Introduction to animal communication. Animal communication is a fascinating and complex phenomenon that involves the exchange of information between animals through various signals and behaviors. This communication can be visual, auditory, olfactory, or tactile, depending on the species and the environment in which they live. Understanding how animals communicate provides insight into their social structures, survival strategies, and interactions with each other and their surroundings. Visual communication. Visual communication is prevalent among many animal species and involves the use of body language, colors, and patterns to convey messages. For example, birds often use bright plumage and intricate mating dances to attract mates. Similarly, primates may use facial expressions and gestures to communicate emotions or establish social hierarchies. Visual signals are particularly effective in environments where animals can see each other clearly and are crucial for activities like courtship, territory defense, and group coordination. Auditory communication. Auditory signals, including calls, songs, and noises, are another important form of communication. Many animals, such as wolves, use vocalizations to coordinate group activities or warn of potential threats. Birds are known for their complex songs, which can serve to attract mates or mark territory. Elephants produce low-frequency rumbles that can travel long distances, allowing them to communicate over vast areas. Auditory communication is essential in environments where visual signals may be less effective, such as dense forests or during nighttime. Olfactory communication. Olfactory communication involves the use of chemical signals or pheromones to convey information. Animals such as ants and bees use pheromones to mark trails or signal alarm. Many mammals, including dogs and cats, rely on scent marking to establish territory or identify individuals. Pheromones can also play a role in reproductive behaviors, helping individuals find mates or synchronize breeding cycles. Tactile communication. Tactile communication occurs through physical contact between animals. This can include grooming, nuzzling, or touching. Primates, such as chimpanzees, use grooming as a social bonding activity and to reinforce group relationships. In many species, tactile communication helps strengthen social bonds and maintain group cohesion. For example, elephants use their trunks to touch and reassure each other, particularly in social or familial contexts. Communication in social structures. In social animals, communication is crucial for maintaining group dynamics and coordinating group activities. For instance, in eusocial insects like bees and ants, complex communication systems are used to manage colony tasks and coordinate responses to threats. Social mammals, such as dolphins and lions, use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and tactile interactions to maintain group cohesion and hierarchy. Adaptations to different environments. Animals have adapted their communication methods to suit their specific environments. For example, desert animals may use less vocal communication due to the risk of attracting predators, relying instead on visual signals or scent markings. Aquatic animals, like whales and dolphins, use echolocation and vocalizations to navigate and communicate underwater where visual signals are limited. Interactions with humans. Some animals have adapted their communication methods to interact with humans. Domestic animals, such as dogs and horses, have developed ways to understand and respond to human cues. Dogs, for instance, use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions to communicate their needs and emotions to their human companions. Conclusion. The complexity of animal communication. Animal communication is a diverse and intricate process that varies widely across species and environments. From visual displays and vocalizations to scent markings and tactile interactions, animals employ a range of methods to convey information and interact with their surroundings. Understanding these communication strategies provides valuable insights into animal behavior, social structures, and the ways in which animals adapt to their environments.